Are you a live streamer looking for a customizable and reliable source of live streaming software? Most of the live streaming software solutions available in the market do not offer what live streamers like you actually need, and it therefore limits their reach. Now, look no further as I have the best software that you can use to reach your audience. Hi, this is Shivashish, and today let's talk about live streaming software and how to use it. Movie Live, a customizable cloud-based live streaming software solution which has so many benefits that I'm going to show you in this video. Choosing the right software solution for live streaming can be a very difficult task. Several factors have to be considered: the pricing, the ability of the software to interact with other softwares, the different add-ons, the integrations, the live streaming quality, and much more. Movie Live is a humble attempt by Muvi to ensure that all the right features are integrated into a single platform called Movie Live and delivered to the streamer so that they can reach their audience effectively. With Movie Live integrated, you can live stream your content on all social media platforms, directly stream your content onto your website by embedding the code, or reach your audience by sharing the live streaming URL. You can also have a combination of all three of these deployed depending upon your business preferences. So start your own multicam live streaming setup or start recording from your simple mobile phone. All you need with Movie Live is a subscription and an encoder and you are good to go. So moving on, we'll show you how you can get a free trial of Movie and use that free trial to stream all your content. So here we go. So the first step of getting Movie Live is creating an account. So for creating an account, what we do is we simply go to Google and type Movie Live. And here we are. So we click on the start free trial option and then we fill in all our details. Now once you finish up with the signing process and authenticate your signing process with the OTP, you will be redirected automatically to this login page or the Movie Live CMS, where you can see there is a wallet option which shows the bandwidth that you have and the streaming hours that you have. So bandwidth is essentially the GB of data that is consumed when users are live streaming your content, and streaming hours is the number of streaming hours that you are streaming. So what we can do is we have to create a live stream first. So we simply click add a live stream and then write the name of the live stream. So my live stream would be test sample, and you can have any description. You can connect the encoder or you can import the URL feed. I'm choosing the option as to connect the encoder because I'll be also showing you how to do the same. You can record the stream and you can enable DRM also, and then you can choose the location, the nearest location of your live stream. So since I'm from India, it will be Bombay, and I save it. I click on save and it's loading. So the stream is now ready. So now what we have to do is I have to start my live stream. So it's I just simply click on start live stream. But it's asking me to add a payment option. You can add your payment options later whenever you want to. So I would just say remind me later. And now it says that the live streaming server in Bombay region is launching my live stream. Okay, so here we are live. So as you can see, our test sample is currently active. So does that mean we have started going live? No, it doesn't. So the next step is to get it connected to our OBS server, and for that we'll be needing the stream info. So we'll just click on the three dots and get this stream URL and stream key, and then install any encoder that you wish to. I have decided OBS, so as you can see here also the options are OBS, vMix, Streamlabs, Switcher Studio, etc. So here is my OBS Studio, which is you can install it. We'll put the link on how to install it in description. So as you can see, this is the OBS Studio. I have selected a screen and I have selected a video capture device. So you can similarly have multiple capture angles also. I can reduce this and I can select this section and add another video capture device. I just have one capture device, so let me just keep it complete. Now the next step is I have to connect it with my Movie Live, which is a very simple process. I just click on the settings option, and then I'll go to the stream option. Click as custom, it is decided as custom, and then I'll replace the server and the stream key that I got here. So I'll just click the server stream URL and I'll put the URL here, and then I'll also copy the stream key, and then I'll copy the stream key here, and then press OK. So now I'll click on start streaming, and hopefully this should start working. Yes, this has started working. As you can see, there is data that is being exchanged from my laptop, and I'm able to stream. So the next step that we have is how do I identify that the live stream has started and people can access it. So simply, as told in the video, you can share the URL of your live stream. So I'll just click on share button, and a shareable link would be generated. I'll copy the link, and I'll go on an incognito tab just to show you that if the link works or not. So right now I don't have any specifications as such as to if the link requires any login or anything else, but that can be configured. So I'll just click enter. See, the live streaming has started. So what I'm talking here, it's working there as well. And this is how the live streaming will work. You can simply share the streaming URL with the customers or your audience, and they'll be able to access it. So this is how we start the live stream and share it with our audience. So the next step is stopping the live stream. So I can simply click here stop, and my live streaming will stop. So it's asking me, and I'll just click proceed. So in some time, the live streaming, it takes a couple of seconds to shut down all the servers that is transmitting my data. So the next step that we have is how to access the recordings of my live stream. So if you remember, initially I also clicked on an option to record my live stream. So my live streams are placed here in the recordings section. So you can see once a recording enabled live stream is over, the recorded file will appear after some time. So let's just wait for some time and see the bandwidth that is being used. And you can also purchase bandwidth from here. So as we said before, it doesn't require any subscription. Movie Live does not require you to purchase for a subscription, and you can simply click on the purchase option and buy the data or the streaming hours that you need depending upon your streaming requirement. See, the recording is here. I refreshed it and my recording is available. It says it's 0.1 GB because the recording was not that large file, and I can simply access it here. Hopefully this should start working. Yes, this has started working, as you can see. So this has started working, and this is how you can access your recordings and even share those recordings later to people who have not watched your video. So this was a complete small tour of Movie Live, where how you can sign up, you can add a live stream, you can get your content online, configure an encoder, connect it with Movie Live, and then start your live streaming. Share that live streaming link with different users, and then post stopping the live streaming. This is how you access the recordings. With Movie Live, you also get DRM enabled live streaming, which means that your content is secure from any unauthorized access. With the pay as you go feature, you do not require any subscription anymore. All you have to do is purchase viewing hours and streaming bandwidth, and you are good to go. Movie Live is a completely do-it-yourself platform, which means that you do not require any coding knowledge to start live streaming your content with Movie Live. And in any case, if you are stuck anywhere, our 24/7 customer support will always be there to help you out. Audience interaction is one of the most important part of any live stream. And Muvi Live gives you a dedicated chat box that can be enabled from Muvi Live CMS. You can also simply copy paste an embedded code into your website or app and start interacting with your audience. Now the list of features can be endless, and we at Muvi Live would love our customers to try Muvi Live themselves. Hence, I'm putting a link in the description where you can simply get the Muvi Live and integrate it with any of the encoders available in the market and start live streaming instantly.